Hello viewers, we are going to construct a cycle whose equation is giving us x squared plus y squared plus 8x minus 6y plus 21 equal to 0. So this is an equation of a cycle, but you have to transform it into a standard form before you could be able to construct a cycle using that equation. So the standard form of this equation will be x minus h squared plus y minus k squared. The whole of this will be equals to r squared. So this is the standard form of equation of a cycle. So we are going to transform this equation into this form. So how do we do that? In order to transform this one into a standard form, you first of all have to group the x's and y's together. Then you take the constant term to the right hand side. So we have x squared plus 8x, then plus y squared minus 6y equals to negative 21, because when a term crosses equality sign, whatever sign is attached to that term will change to its opposite. Then second step, we are going to group each term. These are the two terms. We are going to make them a perfect square trinomial because they are now in a binomial form. So we take the coefficient of x here divided by 2 and square it. So we have x squared plus 8x, then 8 divided by 2 is 4, then 4 squared is 16. Here we group this one and we add this one, y squared negative 6y, then negative 6y divided by 2 is negative 3, and negative 3 squared is positive 9 equals to negative 21. But remember, initially we do not have 16 and 9. We added 16 and 9, so we do the same thing to the right hand side. So we add 16 here and 9 together. To transform this one into this form, we take 1x here, then we add half of the coefficient of x, which is 4. We square it plus y here, then negative 6 divided by 2 is going to give us negative 3 squared. And to the right hand side we have 16 plus 9 is 25, and 25 minus 21 is 4. So this one is in this form, but remember this one is in square form, so we are going to square a number that will give us 4. So we will be having something like this: y minus 3 squared. This is equal to 2 power 2. So this is an equation of a cycle with coordinate with the center negative 4 and 3 and radius equals to 2. Remember, you have to take the opposite sign of the numbers here. For this positive one we take the negative one, and this one is negative, we take the positive one. Then r squared here, so r here is 2 from this one. So let's construct the cycle. The center of this cycle is going to be negative 4 and a positive 3. From the x-axis we locate negative 4, which is this, and from y-axis we locate 3. So where they meet, where they intersect, is our center. center. The radius is 2. From here we go right to 1, 2. Then to the left we go 2, 1, 2. To the top we go 1, 2. To the down 1, 2. All these ones are radius. So we can use our compass to draw a cycle of the equation. You can just pick a single point and construct the cycle. This is something like this. From the center of a cycle. So this is exactly how to construct a cycle using equation. All you need to have in order to construct a cycle is the center and radius. And the center is a coordinate along x and y. So this is how to construct it. So our radius is 2 centimeter, 2 unit, while the center is -4, 3. Thank you for watching.